masters. Our eyes are fixed on the Lord, pleading for His mercies, as the eyes of men are all the hands of her mistress. So our eyes on the Lord our God, till He have pity on us. Our eyes are fixed on the Lord, waiting for His mercy. Have pity on us, O Lord, have pity on us. For we are more than said it we can tell. Our souls are more than said it with a mockery. All the arrogant with the contents of the found. Our eyes are fixed